Welcome back to Spices and Aromas. I'm Rovina. Today, let's prepare Moode, those delightful idlis shaped in charming pandan leaf cups. These are a popular Manglorean breakfast and a must-have preparation during special occasions and festivals. Let's check the ingredients for preparing these idlis. We take 1 portion of black gram dal or urad dal with 2 portions of rice rava. Here I have taken 1 cup of urad dal soaked for 2 to 3 hours. Next I have taken 2 cups of rice rava, or we call it idli rava. I have soaked this for half an hour. I have taken 2 teaspoons of sugar and salt to taste. Let's start the process by grinding dal. You can also add half cup of cooked rice and grind until you achieve a smooth fine paste. Cooked rice while grinding urad dal gives a soft texture to the idlis. Now let's mix the batter. In a tall cylindrical vessel, I have added the ground urad dal. To this I am adding the soaked rice rava. So I have washed the rice rava in 2 to 3 rounds of water and soaked it for 30 minutes. Now I am adding this to the ground dal. To this I will add some water that I got after cleaning the grinder and give a good mix. Please do subscribe to my channel and follow me on Facebook and Instagram for updates on my new recipes. I just added some salt to taste and 2 teaspoons of whisk it vigorously by hand to infuse it with air, aiding in a perfect fermentation process. Please check the description box for all the details and tips to achieve perfect soft idlis. So you can see the consistency of the batter. You should have enough space for the batter to rise. So do not fill the vessel with the batter. If you feel the batter is too much, you can ferment in 2 vessels. I will place this vessel in my balcony under sunlight for faster fermentation for 8 hours. Check if the batter is fermented. It looks like the batter is well fermented. You can see there is a rise in the batter. Now let me just put a spoon and check. Yes, it's perfectly done. It's time for steaming. Let's keep ready our vessel for steaming and pour this batter in those adorable cups, or we call it Moodes. Don't worry if you don't have them. I will soon share a video on preparing eco-friendly alternatives in my next video. First, place the Moode cups in the steam pot and then pour the batter. Pour the batter only when the water is hot and you see the steam coming up. You can also use baking trays to steam the idlis. Let's close the lid and cook on high flame for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, I will keep ready the wickered idli cups which I brought just last week from one of the exhibitions I visited. I will line them with a wet muslin cloth and keep ready so that I can do it in my second round of steaming. After 30 minutes of steaming, use a wooden stick to check for that doneness. If the stick comes out dry, then your idlis are ready. If it is moist or if you feel that some batter is stuck to the stick, then you can continue steaming for the next 15 minutes. It's a bit difficult to prepare these Moode cups at home as it has to go through a process which I will share in my next video. Now let's prepare the idlis in these baskets which I just kept ready. 20 minutes are good enough to steam this as they are smaller in size. I just can't explain you the experience of the fragrance that has filled my home from these pandan leaves. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and there you have it folks, delicious fluffy idlis or moodes ready to be devoured, accompanied by a heavenly gussie Stay tuned for my next video on green gram and potato gussie, which is an ideal accompaniment with this dish. You can also prepare some green chutney, or you can also try this with simple tove or any non-vegetarian curry. It tastes simply awesome. Thank you for joining me in this flavorful journey, and until we meet next time, I wish you happy cooking. Thank you.